Pair your power washer with the best pressure washer sandblasting kit will help you remove rust and paint. It can even help you remove those extremely difficult stains on your driveway. These kits will transform your pressure washer into a sandblasting machine, adding a whole new element to an already impressive tool. We've listed down the top 3 best pressure washer sandblasting kit and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, columbiaflorist.net. Number 3. Interstate Pneumatic PW5301 Wet DIY Sandblaster Kit. This is probably the most serious tool on my list, or at the very least, it is certainly the most expensive. In spite of its high price, we can see where the extra money goes where we take a closer look. We have range, durability, power, and precision in one package. In spite of being so expensive, this one cannot handle pressures above 3,500 psi. Although that isn't weak by any means, I would expect a little bit more from such an expensive product. If you are trying to do something really serious, like stripping cars for instance, this one might not be worth its price. According to both the manufacturer and most reviewers, this sandblaster kit does a good job of handling whatever sandblasting material you might choose. Obviously, natural sand is the most common material, but some people prefer to use specialized silica sand. Some others prefer to use baking soda, steel filing, or even glass beads. You might be truly surprised at the materials that can be used for blasting, and this product should let you use all of them. Number 2. Valley Industries SBK 400. This one is a heavy-duty sandblasting kit, much like my previous choice. However, this one comes with an 18-foot suction hose. Because of this, we have to give it some major points in the convenience department. Not only that, but this hose is a lot more flexible as well. Without those stiff metal ribs, this one bends in a manner similar to that of a garden hose. It's stiff enough to hold up to repeated abuse, but still reasonably flexible. Overall, this is an amazingly effective sandblasting kit. It is made with both toughness and convenience in mind, and that is a rare combo. Still, it's one of the more expensive kits on this list. Therefore, it's a good choice for those who need a serious tool and a bad choice for people on a budget. Number 1. Tool Daily Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit 5000. This pressure washing kit is probably the toughest and most heavy-duty tool on my list. When you take one look at this thing, you can see that it is built to last. You can also see that it's not meant for low-power applications. If you try to use it for a small project or a light-duty project, you might end up with a mess on your hands. Everything about this product looks tough. The wands and adapters are made of stainless steel and a solid brass, so you don't really need to worry about breakage. While I'm talking about durability, I should mention the reinforced hose. The entire length is impregnated with metal ribs that keep the hose from being able to kink and bend. To be honest, the less flexible nature of this hose is both a blessing and a curse. While the toughness is a very large positive, this hose just isn't as flexible as most others. It is kind of hard to maneuver it around, which can lead to reduced control. The problem is exacerbated by the fact that this hose is so short. Still, this isn't the tool for precision work anyway. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.